Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload a GIF to Canva. If you want to add fun, animated elements to your designs, we will walk you through the simple steps to import and use GIFs with ease. On your Canva dashboard, to upload a GIF, all we have to do is click the Upload button and then select the Upload Files option. Next, we need to click Show Files and locate the GIF we want to upload. Here is our GIF. As you can see, the file type is a GIF. Now, we just click on it to upload it to Canva. We will wait a moment for the file to finish uploading. Once it is done, we can use it in our design. As you can see, the GIF is now sitting in our Canva design. And that is how we upload a GIF to Canva. With just a few clicks, we can make our designs more dynamic and engaging.